All right, there we go. So let's go ahead and double over now. Control D, -1 on the X. When we bring this back in, we'll go ahead and center it back up inside of ZBrush, because it will be off the world center. Let's go ahead and get our pivot snapped right there. All right, and I want to make sure that this point, and let's turn on that one, there we go, our wireframe. I'm going to snap, holding down V, to this. So I know that all these verts are going to be sitting right on top of each other. This is going to make my weld very, very easy. Mesh, combine. Let's deselect that portion of the hole for right now. Let's select the other edge loop. So we have the one on the left. Now let's do the one on the right. I'm going to have to do the interior of the mouth here. Actually, you know, we should be fine. So I'm going to do Control right click or Command right click on Mac to vertices. We'll go to vertices, and then we're going to go to Edit Mesh. Actually, maybe we'll do a Shift right click. Merge vertices, and then I'm going to go Merge vertices, and then bring up the option box. So Shift right click. Okay, I'm going to try it at 0.01, the default. We should have a weld all the way around. Let's hit 3 mode. And let's make sure that we have a weld. The reason why I turn on 3 mode is because 3 mode makes it very easy to see if we do not have a weld. If you don't have a weld somewhere on one of these vertices, you'll see, when you put it in 3 mode, you'll see a little, almost like bending in towards the vert that's not welded. It's telling you, the mesh is telling you that the weld is not verted there. So I just turn in 3 mode to identify anything that did not weld together. But it looks like I'm completely welded. Awesome. All right, let's go back to 1 mode. I'm going to delete history and save. And now let's do the tongue. Edit mesh. Actually, mesh tools, sorry. Keep on going back to old places. Pen polygon tool. Start in the center. And then insert edge loop. Here and here. And poly. You know, and in case you forget where tools are sitting inside of your marker menus, just remember it's always Shift right click or Control right click for your various functions. All right, from here, I'm going to go ahead and take these faces. And I'm just going to model it out by extruding like this. So let's do a face extrusion. And let's see, how do I want to do this? So let's go ahead and pull this forward. I'm going to rotate it. Scale it. Let's rotate it again. Scale it on the Y again to make a nice thin piece. There we go. That should get us the base for the tongue that we need. Extrude again. I'm glad I didn't do a whole lot on the tongue inside of ZBrush. I knew this would be a tight little spot that I do not want to project on. So let's take this whole thing, scale it down, round out the tip of the tongue, and then we have our edge loops to draw, and we don't need this on anymore. Let's turn it off. So I'm going to drop in an edge loop here. QMesh function would come in really handy here right now. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that to QMesh in there. Let's go to the interior of the mouth. Everything that I'm doing right now along the center line of symmetry, I want to make sure I'm doing everything symmetrical. So I'm really trying to watch my face selections. Let's fill that in. And then let's bring it back. Bring it down. So we have an interior cavity. Shift or click, insert edge loop. Just even that out. That way we have an interior cavity of the mouth. Now let's take a look at the eyes. I think I'm okay with this for the eyes. I'm going to go ahead and model out an eyeball that's going to go inside of there. The nasal cavities, however, I think I want to pull these in a little bit, but you know, that's something I can do with ZModeler too. So I think I'm going to leave that alone to ZModeler. Let's go to the tail now. Let's grab that entire edge. Like that. All right, edit mesh. I'm sorry, mesh tools, the pen poly. Let's turn on the body so I can see where my tail is supposed to go. Edit mesh and extrude. Scale. Bring that down. Bring that down to a point. Let's go ahead and hit our transparent transparency here. Insert edge loop. Scale it down, hit the Y key. All the way down here. Scale that up. Let's also even that out. And now I'm just adding edge loops so that I have decent sculptability in this area, as well as have enough edge loops for nice, smooth animations in the tail. There we go. That'll definitely be an area I'm not going to project into. Go ahead and turn off our body reference and turn off our transparency. Alright, and there is our starter base mesh. Now, part of me wants to come in here and just start appending stuff straight across. Just one more here and one more here. I gotta resist that urge. Alright. Let's get this a once over. Let's go ahead and soften our normals. Soften the edge of the whole thing. And let's take a look. Alright, that is the lowest it will ever be. And I am pretty happy with that. I'm not going to complain. Alright, so the next step is to bring this back into ZBrush and merge it with our original file.